beauties, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Sifra. If you're new here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're returning, welcome back, girl. In today's video, I'm turning my long passion twist into short passion twist. I actually had them in for 3 weeks, but I wanted to enjoy them a little bit longer, so I'm transforming them into short passion twist. I actually saw this on TikTok and I wanted to do a video on it. Now I'm spraying my hair with some Diva Curl Scalp and Curl Revitalizer. I actually got this in the mail and thank you, Diva Girl. So before I start, I gather my hair into one and I place it in a bun and see how long my hair is. Yes. And the way to do it is just measure how short you want it and then start twisting the hair around the hair until there's no hair left, and there you will have your short passion twist. They actually look like distressed locks and I really love this look. So here's a close-up on how the hair looks. They actually look like locks to me. One more time, measure how short you want it, then start twisting the hair around the hair, twist until there's no hair left, and then you will have your locks. Actually, I'm showing you a close-up and try to see how I do it. So your hair don't have to be all the same length and you don't want them to be too uneven, so pay attention to that. It also gives it a distressed look. My hair is already in distress, so it gives it a distressed look.
Yeah.
So now I will speed up the video and show you my final results. guys, here we have the final results. I really love it. The bag, it turned out really good. You can see one sticking out back there, but don't mind it guys, I fixed it. Okay. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do that down below. Give this video a like and comment what you think of this hairstyle. If you already knew how to do this passion twist hack, and see you in my next video guys. Bye.